Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
Hi, I'm Lorenz de Guzman.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in Fremont. Lorenz, the East Bay is just booming, right? Especially Fremont. Fremont is like Palo Alto of the East Bay. And a lot of people want to move here because of the location. Facebook is coming here. We got Tesla headquarters over here. What do you think?
Yes, Eddie. I personally love the location as well.
Yeah.
Because it's close to the top-rated schools.
Right.
And easy access to the freeways.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 1657 Walden Court. This lovely 6-bedroom, 3-bath ranch home is nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac in the Chadbourne area of the prestigious Mission Ranch neighborhood. The interior has a spacious floor plan with gleaming hardwood floors. The modern kitchen features updated stone counters with built-in wine or beverage refrigerator. There's much sought after dual master bedroom suites allowing spouses or multi-generational family members to live together comfortably without invading each other's spaces. There's an abundance of extra storage space in the attic with easy walk upstairs. An expansive backyard beautified with fruit trees and low maintenance succulents will delight you. All of this within walking distance to the desirable and top-ranked Mission San Jose School District, close to shopping, restaurants, and beautiful Lake Elizabeth with easy access to 680 freeway and other commuter options. This is the perfect home to live, work, play, and enjoy. Thank you for taking the tour.
And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime and we'll talk to you soon.